how to do a sub-item roll-up in Monday.com. Now, for example, I have this task right here. Let's add a sub-item to it. Add sub-item. I'll call this first one example 1. I'll make another one example 2. For the status, let's give, whoopsie. For example 1, let's give the status stuck. For example 2, he's done. So for example, there's 2 status right here. Let's collapse it. You can't see the status if you collapse it. That can be a little bit inconvenient. So there's a way for you to counteract that. Press on these 3 dots right here on status, and then press show summary on parent item. Now you see here, even when you collapse it, you'll get the summary of what the status of all the work on the sub item will be. Let's add another one. Example 3. Let's make this one done. You can see the bar changes dynamically based on what the status of all the sub item is. Let's add another one. Example 4. And this one will be working on it. Another bar. One more. Example 5. And this one is stuck. As you can see here, the bar changes based off what the status of all the sub item underneath this task is. So now you know. It's as easy as that.